In this video, we will see how to install an SSL certificate for your hosting service. First, we access our SWPanel. To start, we'll go to the services tree, look for the hosting service, and access its dashboard. We'll click on HTTPS and SSL certificate to install the certificate. We'll see a list of the different types of certificates to install. We'll check Let's Encrypt SSL Free. Once installed, we'll be able to force that all the requests that enter by HTTP are redirected to HTTPS, checking the option HTTPS Forced Redirection. Once finished, you will have your free SSL certificate.